Tiffin Motorhome Allegro Bus 40 QBP for sale in Palm Springs, California 92264. Spread your wings and fly with this 2014 Tiffin Motorhome Allegro Bus 40 QBP. This Class A motorhome is 41 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong Cummins ISL Diesel engine mated with an Allison 6-speed transmission that offers an impressive 450 horsepower. This RV has 2 slide-outs, 1 awning, and sleeps 6 guests comfortably. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with a leveling system, backup camera and captain's chairs. With only 24,100 miles, you can rest assured that this Allegro bus will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This is truly a beautiful one-owner coach. Stored in covered location for most of life. All factory repairs during shakedown period. Popular off-white, silver and burgundy exterior with light fabrics and medium-tone honey glazed cherry hardwood interior. This is a perfect example of everything that makes this level of coach stand out and the quality expected of a Tiffin Motorhomes product. Luxury throughout, dishwasher, washer/dryer, and beautiful counters in this bath and a half, with king-size sleep number bedding. A condo on wheels with all the options including solar panels. The motorhome has been inspected by an NRVIA certified inspector and owners have report to share. This is one of those coaches that are truly a dream find. If there was certified pre-owned categories for motorhomes, this one would fit the bill. Nearly perfect in every way. If you are looking for a coach that is almost as perfect as a new one, probably better because has been fixed over past few years, this is the motorhome to see. Owners also selling 2013 Ford F-150 Platinum pickup set up for towing behind the rig with Blue Ox tow system. Here is the complete package making it ready to load your gear, family and friends and hit the road for great adventures and making memories. This 2014 Tiffin Motorhome Allegro Bus 40 QBP is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded Allegro bus is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A 2014 Tiffin Motorhome Allegro Bus 40 QBP.